Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a right pointer symbol comment in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select comment option. Click on this sticky note and click anywhere. Now click right button for properties and select this appearance dialog box and go. And here you will find this right pointer. You can see in this right pointer color. Now select OK. Also you can move this right pointer anywhere. Now type here your comment or paste text and post. Now you can reply, you can add sigma. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.